What's up guys, it's your boy Watchman is back with another video. Hope y'all having a wonderful day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be in a sauna in Santo Domingo with my friend in Santo Domingo, y'all. I'm gonna also add some clips in this video from in Cabarete and in Sosua. So make sure y'all stay tuned till the end and make sure y'all leave a like on the video. And when you finish watching this video, don't forget to click the link to the description to see the exclusive and behind the scenes, y'all. It's epic, trust me, you don't want to miss this one. But enough for the talking, let's get into the video.
We're gonna sauna? Sauna. Let's go. So much people in the pool, we finna go in the sauna, y'all. ¿Tú comprendes?
Quítame esto.
Huh? What? Take it off? We're going in the sauna.
Gracias.
How hot should we put it? Oh shit, I put on my data, yo.
Okay.
No? ¿Por qué? Okay. How hot should we put it? I gotta take out my earrings. Wow, I didn't know that. ¿Está bien?
Vamos a entrar en el pantalón.
Sí. Un momento. Difficult. Take out my earrings. See. Vámonos. No.
Espérate. Al paso. Al paso.
It's supposed to have smoke. I ain't seen no smoke. Oh.
Al paso, caliente al paso.
Okay. It takes time.
Al paso.
Let's see.
Así.
I guess that's it?
No la toques.
No?
Así.
Oh. Okay.
Te quema.
I've been in one before, but it was like smoke and stuff. This is different.
Esa unos antes, pero era como una cosa así. Oh.
Yeah, it's like smoke. I didn't know this one is cool. It's like rocks and shit. It's finna take a long while though.
Lo que pasa es que una máquina que calienta las piedras. Entonces después esto se va calentando con el vapor que esté.
Machine heats a stone, then the heat starts to steam. Okay.
Una media hora, dependiendo lo que el tiempo.
Okay.
El calor aquí después es fuerte. O sea, ellos te dicen que dure media hora y si tú aguantas la media hora, que ponga media hora más. Porque todo va a depender, tú sabes, del calor si tú lo vas a aguantar.
The heat here afterward is intense. I mean, They tell you to last half an hour, and if you can handle that half hour, you can add another half hour because it all depends. You know the heat, if you can handle it.
Sí.
Puedo soportar el calor.
No topa.
Okay, okay.
No topa, te quema.
Yeah, I still don't touch it. See. It's getting hot.
Calor.
See? It's good.
Más calor.
Is this way or that way? That way? The moss? This moss? This.
Okay.
Jordan story.
That's where I'm money from it, bro. I ain't got money for it right now. Fuck that.
What's going on, man? It's like that, man. It's like that.
Yeah, man. You finna have a blast, man. You finna have a blast. What's the first thing you think we should do, though?
Check out the bedroom.
Hey, what's the first activity you think we should do here, man?
We gotta get that green going.
Gotta get that grill going. Get that grill going. Then,
Bathroom clean.
for that grill.
This is a nice spot. This is a real nice spot. Real nice spot.
Yeah, that's good, bro.
We gotta buy our own one day, bro.
Yeah.
We gonna rent it out too, bro. And
Yes, sir. You out there, man. You out there. Cameraman. That's right. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Vámonos. Close enough para mí. Chica.
Friends of the Menace. You know how it is? Yeah, you go ahead, go ahead. Oh,
What time
shit.
is it?
You know what time it is? How it is?
One shot? I'm gonna take this bitch now. I'm gonna take that rope now.
Let me get a
I'm
shot.
put the rope in. But already
Get a shot. I'm gonna get a shot.
Yes, sir. We got to y'all 100 facts.
Hold on.
Come up here 100 facts today.
I'm trying to hit the rope. I'm gonna see what the rope here from. That's the rope. I don't know. I'm gonna see what the rope here from. I don't know.
Trust me.
I was spending 170.
Oh yeah, y'all. Finna head to the old horse on the beach. Nice little Saturday vibe. Me and John came here like 4 times.
My first
Last
time,
week?
Like,
Yeah, we came here like 4 times.
something.
Oh, shit.
What is this?
Nina banana mama, juice.
Pina colada.
Oh gosh.
Hey, don't touch that yet. You don't touch it.
They don't touch it yet. It looks nice though. Yes, sir. Gracias. Where your food at? Okay.
Pina colada.
Damn, they did us well.
In Presidente.
Presentation is on point, man. John got his drinks, pasta. I got my margarita.
No virgin.
Got a snapper.
Virgin strong.
Yo, we
Ball game, man.
My beans.
Margarita. We at the old spot.
This for real.
We come there a lot, y'all. We always here at the old spot. Oh, we taste. Oh, you don't taste it yet?
Sauce with picante.
Tastes amazing.
Keep that thing. You got it? Take your time. Don't bite it. Take your time, big dog. This is up, bro.
This is banana?
Banana flambe.
Nice.
Flambe.
Shit look good too.
Shit looks nice, yeah. He got a croissant. Oh shit, they got ice cream inside that too? Damn, I should have get that one. I just got the banana and ice cream, but he got the croissant and the ice cream.
Nice.
Hold on, don't touch that.
Yeah, let me get that.
Hey, this one.
They fucking eat it,
You
man.
don't even know how to eat that bitch, look.
I don't
Yo,
eat
that bitch
it.
don't come
Like a sandwich.
That bitch don't even come in instructions.
You got a napkin? Look. You knocking, so I already
Eat that bitch like a sandwich.
This is
You gotta get dirty. No, you gotta get dirty. You gotta get down to dirty.
You gotta get dirty with it, bro. We out here. We outside, bro.
Hit that bitch up with your hand. Just use it
Put it on your plate.
Put it on your plate, yeah. Get that bitch outside, baby.
oh yeah.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh shit. It.
Yeah.
There's ice cream in the middle, right?
Good. So I paid 14 for my shit. He had the fish, you know, he only pays 27.
And the pina colada.
And the pina colada, 2 Presidentes,
Two Presidentes.
$27, y'all. You can't be that
Take a
big.
picture. Take a picture. See, I can't
Grab his phone.
And the beans, extra beans or something.
Y'all can't be that place, y'all. We probably spent less than $100 for all we had.
I need that. Hold on.
Hey, we all come doing Willis.
Like, these niggas crazy as this.
I can't. You could be a scooter?
No.
Yeah, you could be I can't be a scooter though.
Hey, we all
I ain't doing no Willie in no school.
looking like they ass.
It's cheap too. It's $10.
These niggas Dominican.
500 pesos we get one for.
Like, these niggas Dominican.
Painting on the wall. Wow. Pickup truck. Big F-350. Fruit. Hey, all kinds of good fruit.
So what's up? See? Y'all ain't got easy to like that. What's up? Good for you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What's up, bro? Good. Get in there.
I gotta put me a salt in there. I gotta put me a salt top really good juice.
Hey, y'all come here.
Eat money.